Hose that won't turn off. This one, the cold side, won't turn off. I've showed this before, but sometimes you kind of forget. I was like, oh, I got the hot side turned off, and I'm like, I can just connect the hot side here. Problem is, I'd have to turn off the water first to do that. But what we can do is just take this hose, bend it in half, cinch the water off, and connect this side instead from the cold to the hot side, and then we can, you know, turn the water off. So, okay, so my friend's gonna hold the camera because otherwise there's no way I could film this thing. This is even crazy to hold the camera. Okay, so I'm bending the hose and got it clipped, and then I'm disconnecting the hose from this side because it's got a full pressure water behind it, so it could be a real mess. And then we're gonna hook this side up to the hot side, and like I said, it's just full pressure. So in theory, this is going to work out. The other side is leaking a little bit from the handle, and so I'll tighten that up after. But first order business is right here, is getting this puppy tightened on. Then I'll be able to release the pressure. For some reason I forgot, as I was taking the other side off, I was thinking I'd have to disconnect from this side, and I was like, how am I going to do that? Well,
My friend actually reminded me.
to do that this way. That side will not shut off. Here we go. Releasing the pressure, and there we go. This side, I'm just going to tighten this down. The handle actually broke inside. It will not turn off, so it's all getting replaced, but temporary measures.
Temporary, right.
It's a done deal. Now we're all set. Now we can finish it off. All right. This one we took it outside so we can clean it out and put it next to an outlet, so if we need power to vacuum it out or whatnot, it's ready to go. All right.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.